When you file a claim on Colonial Life for policyholders, you can send documents directly to your claims specialist with our document upload tool. To start, log in on Colonial Life for policyholders. Select the claim you would like to update. To upload a file, simply drag and drop documents into the Add Supporting Documents window, or click on Browse your device to upload the file. Once you've added a file, choose the appropriate document category from the list. Simply repeat these steps to add more documents. To view an uploaded file, click on the file name. To change the selected category, click the current category and choose a new one. Or remove the document by clicking Remove. When you're ready, click Send Documents, and the files will be sent directly to your claim specialist. You will see a message confirming your documents have been received. You will be able to view the documents you uploaded within 24 hours on the From You tab in the Supporting Documents section. To prevent any issues while uploading your documents, be sure to review the Instructions section. With the document upload tools on Colonial Life for policyholders, you never have to worry about stamps, envelopes, or delays when updating or submitting a claim. Log in to get started today.